up, YouTube? Sorry for the crazy hair. I got some hat hair going on. But I just did the oil change on the Durango 392. In today's video, we're gonna see what the catch can caught after give or take about 2,500 miles. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. I'll leave a link down below as well. What is up, YouTube? Quick video here. Try to get under a minute. This is the JLT oil catch can on the 2021 392 Durango SRT after 2,500 miles, give or take. I think a little bit less than that. It's like 2,200 miles from the time I threw it on. Now you can see here, I would say it's about 50% filled with that gunk. So if you go 4,000 miles between oil changes, this thing will definitely be full. The can itself, I don't know, about 2.5 inches, 3 inches in height, if that. But yeah, it does the job. That is I'll just round it up to a 2,500 mile update. Now I'm gonna go ahead and dispose of this with the oil.